Well, we have a lot to get to. We're looking out over Georgetown right now where a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 tonight. Been seeing a lot of lightning on our camera out there and even some damaging wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour and quarter size hail. Shower and storm chance through the next few hours. After that, the cold front moves through. We're going to talk about freeze warnings. Those below average temperatures will be sticking around. Here's a look at the big scale of things. We've got that cold air rushing into the mountains of North Carolina, but along our area, we're still on the warm side, and that's where we see the storms really starting to develop tonight. We've been talking about that 6 o'clock tonight. You can see those storms over Georgetown County right now. That's where that severe thunderstorm warning is. If you look at the storm tracks, it's going to take it just south of Garden City. This could also affect Surfside into Myrtle Beach. So central and southern Horry County, we could get clipped with this severe thunderstorm over the next hour and a half. Also seeing some storm activity over towards the Grand Dunes area with a lot of lightning over there as well, and some heavy rain and gusty winds. Back towards the PD though, we're just seeing some rain shower activity, but here's that storm just north of Carolina Forest there producing a lot of lightning as well, and you can see that severe thunderstorm warning again until 11:45 tonight for the Georgetown County area. Temperatures right now in the low 60s back towards the PD, but here along the coast we're the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. Still very warm out there. Our temperatures today made it into the upper 70s, close to 80 degrees, and a big turnaround from that. Northwest winds will be blowing into the area early tomorrow morning, and those will stay gusty as we go throughout the day into Monday night as well. So not only is it going to be cold and breezy, those wind chill values will still feel pretty nasty as well. You can see those shower and storm activity should be over by 2 a.m. This is going to be a really quick hitting system. And then by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, we're going to see the sunshine out there, but those gusty northwest winds really driving in that cold air. Lows tonight will be in the 40s, and then we're not really going to move much tomorrow afternoon. You can see our bus stop forecast here for you. Temperatures by lunchtime only in the low to mid 50s, and we're already starting to fall as we get to that end of the school day with temperatures already in the low 50s. So again, this is really weird. Freeze warning up, but we also have that severe thunderstorm warning up. So a little bit of everything going on over the area over the next 24 hours. You can see as we wake up tomorrow morning, we're in the 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, low 50s. It's really Tuesday morning, a lot of us below freezing from Myrtle Beach back towards Conway, Florence, and Laurinburg. So we're going to see those freezing conditions, and we're only going to make it into the 40s for our highs on Tuesday. So we do have that freeze warning. After that, though, a lot of clear weather out there. We're going to see a lot of sunshine, see some snowfall back over the North Carolina mountains. We could see a few stray flurries in the Piedmont of North Carolina tomorrow evening. Not going to accumulate to anything, but the mountains could see quite a lot of snowfall out there. Highs again tomorrow are going to be in the 50s. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast for you. Temperature is going to be cold the next 2 days, and then we start that slow warm up as we're back into the 60s. And as we approach the end of the week into the weekend, back into the low 70s. But again,